In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Figma with the help of AI and then obtain a ready-for-use HTML. First things first, let's head over to Figma, which is known as the Collaborative Interface Design tool. If you don't have Figma open yet, just go ahead and open your browser and navigate to Figma's official website. Once you're there, look for the login button. It should be quite visible, usually at the top right of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to sign in. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. Here you should look for the design interface. It typically involves clicking on the design option, which will take you to a space where all the design magic happens. Now, as you're in the design environment, you'll spot an action button. Clicking on this will bring up a search tab, and here's where the fun starts. In the search bar, type email AI. This is where we start utilizing the power of artificial intelligence to streamline our email template creation process. You'll need to find and click on something called the Ampere Email Generator. This tool is specifically designed to assist you in generating email templates effortlessly. Once it's located, select it by clicking on it. Now you'll see an option to run this tool. Go ahead and click on Run. The Ampere Email Generator will work its AI magic to create a layout or template ready for your email design needs. It simplifies what could be a complicated and time-consuming task into just a few clicks, making your workflow efficient and smooth. The AI-driven tool will process and offer you a template that you can customize and adapt according to your needs. This includes adding images, changing text, or altering colors to fit your brand style. The resulting design will be in HTML format, which is straightforward to integrate into your email service provider. Remember, this process is not just about gaining a finished product, it's an opportunity to see how AI can enhance creativity and productivity. By leveraging such tools, you can focus more on designing and less on the technical hassles, helping you to deliver aesthetically pleasing emails in a fraction of the time it traditionally takes. I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your email design process using Figma and AI. With practice, you'll find it becomes an invaluable asset in crafting professional emails effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore and experiment with the possibilities that Figma and AI offer.